guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya. I'm always coming at you guys with something new. I was in a store, the grocery store, and I just seen this. I never seen it before. It is called FryAway. This is supposed to be more of a organic type oil because I'm in the oil section getting my oil, my canola oil, and I seen this. It's a FryAway magically transform using cooking oils into solid organic waste. Don't know what this is, but this is supposed to take the place again of oil. So if you are trying to eat healthy, try this. We always come in with new stuff. It's a we love fried foods, but cleaning up after fried foods is a mess. What do you do with the leftover cooking oil? Sprinkle one scoop of fryaway pan powder into hot oil. Allow oil to complete scoop and harden. Oh, okay. So I get what this is, y'all. I thought this was oil. This is not oil. What this is, and this even better. This is when you use your oil and stuff, you have no clue what to do with it. What I always do, I made a video. I'm gonna include the video, but I dispose of it really, really good. Do not put it down your sink. What you do is once your oil is still hot, read it, make sure you read it. Nope. Yep, sprinkle it in hot oil and then let the oil cool down. And I guess it turns into like a melt and you're able to just be able to dispose of it, just throw it away. It becomes like an organic type deal like this, solid. So actually, I think I really like this. I'm actually going to try these. They got the deep fried, they got the pan fried, and it's a 2 packets. They are $9.98 and $7.98. So if anybody tried this, let us know how you like it. 1 cup of oil equals 1 scoop. So you could just put one in there and it'll dissolve and turn into hard contrast and you are able to dispose of it better. I like that concept because I never in my life heard of it. So that is a nice way to be able to get rid of it instead of, because some people pour this stuff down the aisle. I mean down the sink. Don't pour this down the sink, y'all. It's ways you're supposed to dispose of your oil. And this is a perfect way. Okay? Don't forget to let us know if you try it and subscribe for more. Bye, guys.